this OB, but I'm not gonna use
Chef lang. So let's go.
I'm so sorry, bro. You want to? Huh? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry I'm so sorry. English pa ako. Ay! I don't know, what does that mean? I chef lock. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. I won't do that. I won't do that. Oh my god. She want to throw me. They want to throw me right now, though. They want to throw me right now. Please don't throw. Please. Don't throw. Yes, thank you. So sorry. Oh my god, she want to slap me too. She want to slap me. Yes, no chef locking, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I am really sorry. Kasi pagpasensya nyo na. I'm so laggy right now. Bro, don't like slapping at me. Because I'm gonna try this OB at no chef locking. Bro, pangit ko mag-ano. Bros! I almost fell. Oh my god, my heart was dug. I am Oh, she fell off. Bro, don't say that. Bro! Oh my god. I'm watching a TV, guys, and can I use a shift lock? Okay, I can use. Bro, just stop it.
Breathing.
Oh my god. I'm in this game, guys. Oh my god. Bro! Thank you. Oh man, when will I explore?
Pinakain mo ba ng tsokolate yung mga aso? Siyempre si Sheila magiging kailangan nyo kasi ano, siguraduhin mo ang papalit yung sulit mo sasabihin.
Thank you.
Mabuti pa sumakain lahat sa barangay.
Please come on, bro. Come on. I'm gonna beat this tower right now.
Kitang-kita naman eh, hindi naman pinakain ng tsokolate na anak namin yung mga aso. Nakikilang ko na pumasok, pero wala naman sa pinapakain.
I thought I'm gonna fall.
Sa pagkamatay ng mga aso ni Sheila, maaaring wala kayong kasalanan. Pero yung pananakit mo kay Sheila, kailangan niyo yung pagbayaran.
Bro!
We almost finished.
Alam niyo bang pwede kayong kasuhan sa ginagawa niyo kay Sheila? Na pinagkakalat yung may garapata yung ice candy.
Oh my god! I'm gonna... Bro, I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Garapata sa tenga. Nakakain ng ice candy na may
Didn't die.
garapata. Yun nga, galing ko sa...
You're right, Kat. She